secret project reduction tutorial. If we hover over and we can see this is our finished landscape, and if I right click and see its properties, it is 9 gigabytes large, and that is ridiculous. And there is a way to reduce this so that it's only like 2 or 3 gigabytes. And the reason why it's so large right now is because if we go into our project content browser, we have a bunch of unused assets right now. We have like, let me see, almost all of the kite demo, all of these assets are being unused, and interactive spruce forest, these assets are also being unused. So we can go through here and delete each asset manually, but that stinks. And unfortunately in Unreal, there is no way to wipe a project of all the assets that aren't being referenced, but we can do that by creating a new project and using the migrate tool and only migrating over the assets we need. And to do that, I have a Unreal project browser open, and I'm going to create a blank project, hit next, and I'm just going to call this Creek _SA. And I like doing _SA because SA stands for standalone. And then I'm going to do no starter content, and everything seems correct. So hit create project. And now within my original project, I'm going to go over to the map I want migrated. So maps, right click, go to asset actions, then hit migrate. Now what Unreal has done is that it's went through and it's found all the assets being referenced to this map, and it's leaving out the assets that aren't being used. Now if I hit OK, I can select my new project content, select folder, sometimes it'll come up with that, that's okay. Go out, and then if I go into my new project, content browser, maps, open this up, it'll take a bit for it to compile. Okay, so here we have our original map, and all the shaders should compile, and I also need to reactivate planar reflection clip plane. But if I get out of this project and both projects, so here's a new project and here's old project. This is 9 gigabytes large, and my new project is 1.37 gigabytes large. So that's just a neat tip to go through your project and get rid of any assets that aren't being used.